This is breaking news. Donald Trump's staggering $15 billion defamation lawsuit against the New York Times has just been tossed out by a federal judge in Florida's Middle District. And here's the kicker. This wasn't a liberal judge, but a Republican one, appointed by President George H.W. Bush back in 1991, Judge Mary Day. She didn't waste a second in striking it down. Her words were blunt on its face. The case was frivolous. She even mocked the filing, saying it looked more like a political press release than an actual legal complaint. In short, get this out of my courtroom. Judge Day said Trump could technically try again, but only if he is willing to bring a legitimate lawsuit, not this 85-page rant that barely touches on any real grievance with the Times. Let us pause and remember, this isn't the first time a federal judge in Florida has done this. You'll recall Judge Middlebrooks, who back in 2023 sanctioned Trump and his lawyer Alina Habba over $1 million for another baseless lawsuit. That's exactly the kind of firm, no-nonsense judicial pushback we need to see more often. Judge Day's ruling spelled it out clearly. The lawsuit had no legitimate claims. He gave Trump 28 days if he wanted to try filing again, but limited it to no more than 40 pages. And the language of the order? Absolutely devastating. He quoted the federal rules of civil procedure, reminding Trump's team that a complaint has to be short, plain, and direct. Instead, what Trump filed was a rambling mess, bloated with self-promotion, attacks on the press, and long lists of Trump's properties, businesses, and media appearances. The judge even pointed out the absurdity. The actual defamation counts didn't appear until page 80 and page 83. 80 pages of fluff before a real legal claim even showed up. And listen to this. The judge stressed that a complaint is not a stage for political theater. It's not a soapbox, not a rally speech, not a PR stunt. It's supposed to be a precise legal document. And Trump's filing failed every single requirement of that standard. The order is crystal clear. Even if every single allegation Trump made were true, the way he presented them was improper and unacceptable. The judge compared the complaint to a political pamphlet rather than a serious lawsuit, and he struck it down. Now, let us not forget Judge Middlebrooks' words in 2023. He warned that Trump had developed a pattern of abusing the courts, filing case after case in bad faith just to punish political opponents. He called Trump a sophisticated litigant who wasn't blindly following lawyers, but deliberately weaponizing lawsuits for revenge. That's exactly what we're seeing again here. Another judge, another frivolous lawsuit, another reminder that Trump treats the courts like campaign stages instead of legal forums. So here's where we stand. Trump's $15 billion lawsuit, gone. Federal judge, Republican appointee, reason? Frivolous, improper, and completely unserious. This is the judiciary doing its job, shutting down baseless lawsuits and protecting the integrity of the legal system. And we need a lot more of that because Donald Trump has made abusing the courts part of his political playbook. What do you think about Judge Day's smackdown of Trump's lawsuit? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe. Let's hit 6 million together. Support independent media. We're going to keep exposing the truth, no matter how many bogus lawsuits Trump files.